Good morning, everybody. I figured I'd start today off with a little vlog, motovlog, if you will. I got the FZ09 out, and I'm about to head to the shop down the road and get this engine code cleared. So what's been going on over the last couple weeks during the winter time? What are you doing? Nobody's paying attention this morning, and I've only driven a couple miles so far. It's been raining past couple weeks, haven't been able to ride, so bought some parts for the bike, been working on it. I got the K&N air filter and another little surprise, which is the quick shifter, which is really fun. I did the K&N air filter. I kind of did the little airbox mod. I wanted to film those, but there's so many videos on them, I decided it was kind of useless. I did shorty levers, spark plugs, because I did the block off plates and deleted the AIS system or whatever it's called, and the check engine light came on, so I plugged the AIS system back in, but it's not actually functioning. But the short shifter is the best part. Oh, I know what's going on. My clutch, you hear that? I adjusted my clutch lever too tight. I can hear that. Yeah, that's not right. I'm gonna have to fix that real quick. That's definitely not right. I can hear it. You hear that slipping? We're definitely gonna have to fix that. All that is, I believe, is me adjusting the clutch lever too tight. The cable is too tight, and so it's already pulling the clutch in slightly. So I'm gonna have to fix that right quick before we do anything else today. So let me pull over. We'll get that fixed. I was about to say, I was like, something's not right, because the quick shifter, it sounds amazing, but obviously what's going on with the clutch lever here is not doing it justice. As long as I'm riding like this, it's fine. As soon as I get on it, yeah, lossofpower.com. It's a little bit chilly, but this is the first time I've seen the sunshine out in a week here in Georgia. And now all I can think about is this freaking clutch lever being all fucked up. Gotta fix that. Can't have that. I'll pull over in this auto parts store, get that taken care of. It should just be this adjuster here up top, because I was messing with it, but I haven't ridden on the road with it. So it's what I get for not being able to ride in like 2 weeks. That's what I get. Let's see if we can fix this sucker. Yeah, because every time I work on it, I try to like do little test rides and stuff, but obviously something is not right here. Let me see. I got a little bit of time before the shop opens. I'm actually running early today, so I'll start this back up once I figure this crap out. Alright, so we're going to try that. What I found is the lever was not adjusted correctly, and I accidentally messed something up. It was past the last number here. So We'll see if that works. That might have been just an installment error on my part. Wow. That's how you mess up the simplest parts in the world. Let's see if we're good. Oh yeah, that's much better. More better. Yeah, you gotta listen to this quick shifter now whenever I get an opening here. Yeah, listen to this crap. Yeah, it's freaking awesome. Yeah, that's much better. I was wondering why the shorty lever, even for the shorty levers, was too short. And I accidentally adjusted it all the way out and then past that, and so it pushed it in, and so the clutch was partially pushed in. But easy fix. Easy fix. So I actually just passed the shop because I wanted to continue riding because they're not open for another 20 minutes. But I wanted to be the first in because all they need to do is clear this code. Because I was reading on the forums and they were saying that when you delete the AIS system, or IAS, or whatever, exhaust recirculation system, when you delete that and you unplug it and leave it unplugged on the 17 FZ09 specifically, I don't know, maybe it's for other models too, but not for like the 16s and earliers, but apparently it throws the check engine light. So I plugged it back in even though I still have the block off plates on, and the check engine light is still on, and I'm getting the ECU, I'm sending it off tomorrow to get tuned and flashed, if you will. And I need that. He said he wanted the check engine light cleared for that first, so I'm gonna make sure I get that knocked out for him. Is a little of the good life. Alright. Yeah, I decided to just ride around a little bit. Now I'm adjusting the lever back towards me because I wanted the shorty lever. I like the shorty levers. But I guess I'll loop back around towards the shop. Couple other things I'm going to be doing, and I'll probably do videos on these, but I ordered some Galliford brake lines for the bike, steel braided brake lines, and I'm going to order some brake pads. Obviously I'm prepping this bike for the track this summer, so obviously I did the clip-ons and I did the levers and I'm doing the brake lines and I did all the kind of the power mods to unlock the ECU so I can actually get up to speed. Dang, what is that smell? But I've been on night shift lately, so I'm usually not up this early in the morning, but my schedule's all messed up. Anyways, I set an appointment to get the check engine light cleared, and I'm trying to stick to it because apparently it's just difficult to get an appointment at this shop, and all they need to do is hook a machine up and clear that code. And I hope that the check engine light stays away. Once it's gone, it's gone. That's what I'm hoping for. Man, it's like so early. Nobody around. But with the check engine light, there's no performance issues. Like, and I will say with the block off plates, you lose the flames. But I wanted to, because what it felt like was happening is, even with the flames, like the massive amounts of backfiring and fuel cutting. It just didn't seem right. So I wanted to get the block off plates on there. Yeah, now we're not having any power issues. How to mess up installing shorty levers featuring Ratchet Davo. What are you doing, you idiot? Look at this. They're probably gonna have... I'm telling you, since when did this become like a U-turn spot? What was that noise? I'm like hearing things today. I don't know what's going on. Let's get over to the shop. I'm just gonna try to be the first one in, and maybe they'll just take me and... I know there are little fireballs that pop out, but they aren't as frequent. Like, I can rev up the bike all I want and a fireball is not going to pop out, but under load there might be a little fireball or something. So I like it so far. I mean, I can't wait to unlock the ECU and get a little more power out of it. I think that's really going to wake the bike up. But I mean, I've been really enjoying just some of the simple mods that really change the way the bike feels. So it's not been bad. Yeah, like normally if I revved it up like that, fireballs would come out, but it seems I just like it running a lot cleaner. Like, the flames were awesome, but it seems like running cleaner was the better option. So I changed out the spark plugs and everything after that, because I was afraid they were fouling out because there were so many flames being shot out of this thing. The flames were cool though for a while, but you know, it's almost like it's time to grow up. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna stop by the shop and then I'll do a little update after I get out of the shop. I really don't like driving in all this traffic on the bike. It's just so many things. So many things. I don't want to wish bad luck. Even at low RPMs, that little quick shifter, that is so nice. The flat-footed, if you will, just the open throttle shifting. Golly, that's awesome. It's really cool. And I hate this turn lane because people are trying to turn this way when I'm going to try to turn this way. And it creates a major hazard. Don't enjoy it at all. But here we are. Looks like they're opening a little early. Alrighty, I'll update y'all when I get done, and hopefully this check engine light is cleared. Bye! Well, after a couple hours of diagnosing, they were able to finally clear my engine light. I had an ABS light on as well, and they were able to clear that, which it appears to be on again, but the only one I was really worried, it went out. Look at that. Lowered 370. Makes me miss mine. More videos coming on that eventually, so I got no engine light, no ABS light. Man, this thing is feeling much better. It's just dangerous getting out of the there's no good way to get out of there. Man, I'm so excited now. I can send my ECU off to get flashed. Don't have to worry about anything now. It's super windy and the wind chill's pretty cold, but now I can get that done. So that'll be the next motovlog I probably do. Since the bike will be down, I'm taking the ECU off as soon as I get back to the shop. That'll be the next motovlog I do, will be the flash ECU on this thing. So I did the V-cycle nut race ECU flash. It's not really a tune. It is a tune, but it's not. I consider a tune when, like, you got the car or bike on the dyno and you actually, ooh, it's cold. You got the car or bike on the dyno and you actually are having someone manually like tune the timing on the bike and everything. That's what I consider a tune, not necessarily just a ECU flash. But the flash really unlocks the manufacturer boundaries that they electronically put on the bike to basically to ensure that they don't have any issues with the bike braking. So it's like a liability thing, I feel like. That's pretty much it for today's video. I wanted to get that code cleared out and get the bike back to normal. So next time you see me on a motovlog, it'll be the ECU flash. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.